Hey guys, welcome back to Tamara Recipes. So today I'm going to prepare some nice coconut flavored rice with some corned beef. Now you can always just leave the coconut milk, but for me, I love a little boost in my rice, so I chose to add the coconut milk. So now guys, I'm gonna add some scallion, a scotch bonnet pepper, and my thyme, and some salt. Well, I don't know where the clip is when I was adding my natural seasoning, but trust me, afterwards you'll see the natural seasoning in the pot. Okay, guys? So, we're gonna just make it come up to a boil. Let it boil for maybe about 5 minutes just to bring out the flavors together, and then I will add the washed rice. Now, I didn't add a whole lot of scallion and thyme, just a small piece just to flavor the rice. Okay, so make sure say your water, the coconut milk level is like an inch or inch and a half above the rice. Now you want to taste, ensure that it has a flavor that you so choose, and then when the milk, coconut milk, like almost fully dry out, then because I'm cooking white rice, so it's easier to cook, so depending on how your rice stay. Okay guys, y'all, every rice cook different, so if your rice take a longer time to cook or take more water, then you cook it according to the type of rice, alright, or the instruction on the package. So I added some oil into the pot. Remember, we're not gonna drown the corned beef with oil because corned beef has a lot of fat. So first I'm gonna fry a few pieces of plantain. I just want to suit myself with the plantain because in my family I may really like the plantain with the food. So I'm just fry a little piece at all time just for myself. So I'm just gonna fry maybe about 6 pieces of plantain. Yes guys, so fry up my plantain. Everybody know fried and plantain already, so I'm not gonna really elaborate on that, but ensure you not put your flame on a high because you don't want your plantains to burn up and get all burnt and bitter. Okay, because plantain has the sugar, so it's easy to burn. All right, so after I finish frying my plantain, and I do like to fry the plantain first because we just use the same oil and for yes guys. So I'm just gonna remove the plantain from the pot. As you know, plantain they fry very fast, and then I add my seasoning. Now you use a seasoning of choice. I'm just adding some scallion, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, of course. If you want to add garlic, you can add the garlic, but I didn't want to add any fresh garlic to mine. And any other seasoning, some sweet pepper, anything you want to add. Okay guys, so I'm not enough seasoned person because as me telling you over say literally burn my stomach like hell, so I'm not too join the whole heap of fresh seasoning, not the powder seasoning sometimes. Alright, so let your seasoning cook up nicely, bring all the flavors together, and then you're going to add your corned beef. Now, I am not gonna cook a lot of food, so I'm just fry up a small kind of corned beef. However, if you're cooking for a multitude, then you add the corned beef to the number of people. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna add it to the pot now, and the corned beef is cooked already, so you just have to hot it up. Alright? Alright, now Jamaica say we hot up some corned beef. Yes, guys. So just tossing it around in the pot. Because I want the corned beef to have that nice flavor from the fresh seasoning. I've add some black pepper, of course, even though I add the scotch bonnet pepper. And I see some people make them corned beef and then put pack seasoning on there. If you don't want to add it, guys, I found a kitchen. You don't judge me, because it's my kitchen, and in my kitchen I cook my food whichever way I want. And in your kitchen, you do the same, okay? So for me, it can be full of salt already, so I don't need to add no other seasoning to it, because I don't really join the salty thing, guys. So do you, okay? So maybe after about 5 minutes, I'm gonna put out the flame, and rice will be done and everything mellow. So I want to say thank you so much. I realize that I've been getting more supporters and people sharing the video, of course. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And I'm kindly asking you to continue to share the videos, continue to tell others about Tamara recipes, guys. You know, I love my Jamaican cuisine, I love my Jamaican food, and I love my Jamaican people. And overall, I love everybody. So bless up on yourself straight. Now my rice fully done, and as you can see, it looks shelly and nice and tastes good with all of them coconut flavor there in there. And you know, yes guys, so thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you all. And yeah, food done. And you know, I love me some corned beef and rice. Yes, so please share the video, please subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and God bless you all. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.